Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save your document as a PDF. So I'm going to show you how you can save a Word document as a PDF, right? But before we get started, just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Word document open up here. So let's say you are typing up a letter or something and you want to save it as a PDF, right? I have just a random paper here, right? So this is a Word document. As you can see, you can be able to edit through, right? So now you want to save it as a PDF. So it's really simple. All you have to do is just come to this, right, to file and then save as. Click on save as, and then you can choose a folder or where you want to save it on your in your computer. So I'm just going to click on here, right? So now once you click on that, this window should be opening up. So the save as type, click on there where it's written Word document. You have to choose PDF, right? Save that as a PDF, choose PDF, save as type, choose PDF, and then you can give it the name that whatever you want to name it, and then just click on save. So once you click on that, it should be saving as a PDF, right? So now, as you can see, it's open up here as a PDF. I set it to open it up automatically. So now let me just close this off. So now if you come into here, you will see, look at, this is the paper that you just saved. It's now saved as a PDF. So if you were to view this and then the property, you will see the type here is a PDF. So that's how you can save your document or your Word document as a PDF. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.